In this video, I'm going to show you how to make stickers in WhatsApp. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your browser and head over to WhatsApp Web. Now on WhatsApp Web, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're signed into your account, head over to the conversation where you want to create a sticker. And here, go ahead and click on the plus icon, which you'll find at the left of the type E message, and click on new sticker to be able to create a new sticker. From your album, go ahead and select a photo that you want to use to create a new sticker. As you can see in here, there is a few tools that you can choose from. You can crop this image, you can add emojis and stickers along with text on this image and rotate it depending on your need. Now, once you're done editing this sticker, go ahead and click on the next button, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will allow you to send this sticker to the conversation of your choice. And that's how you can simply create a sticker on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.